When the road was broken, she chose not to break. Through the pain and the pressure, faith made a way. Sickle cell tried, but it couldn't steal her flame. She turned every trial into purpose and praise. Single mom strong, with Kobe by her side. Love is her strength, hope is her guide. This is a journey of faith. Watch her rise, grace in her story, fire in her eyes. From surviving to shining, no fear, no shame. When the road was broken, she chose not to break.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm Kayla,
I'm Kobe.
and this is
Cooking with Kobe.
Cooking with Kobe. All right, so Kobe, can you tell everybody what is tomorrow?
What's tomorrow? My graduation.
There you go. Say it louder so they can hear you.
My graduation.
And what are you graduating? What grade are you going to?
Kindergarten.
Yep, you're going to kindergarten. So I thought, what is a better day to do a Cooking with Kobe video than the day before Kobe's graduation? All right, so today we are making, what are we making? What is this?
Cake.
We're making cake. All right.
And I'm making cookie cake.
Cookie cake? I don't think we're making cookie cake. I think we're just making regular vanilla cake. All right, so we have our box cake right here.
Right here.
Super moist vanilla. Oh, white.
Okay, now we're.
All right, so wait, we gotta read the instructions. Kobe, did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? They smell like soap. So let's read the box. So we need 3/4 cup of water. Fill this up 3 times.
Okay.
Go fill it up with water. Water 3 times.
Water.
1, 2 more times. Two. Is it filled all the way up? Three. Good job. All right, turn off the water. All right, good job, dude. All right, you ready to pour your cake mix in the bowl?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's your cake. Here.
Okay, all of it.
Yep, pour it in there. Kobe, right here.
Not working.
There was something you were supposed to do.
Open it.
Yeah. If you know, you know.
Little nasty. Not going down.
Need help? Do you need help? Need help?
No.
Okay.
Harassing me.
Who the fuck you think you talking to?
Yep.
So Kobe, what was the best part of your school year this year of pre-K?
Kindergarten.
What do you like about pre-K?
My teacher.
Kobe, you went through like 6 teachers. Which teacher did you like the most?
Miss Missy.
You like Miss C the most?
Yep. She be mean.
She be mean. I thought you said that you like her though. Just because she mean, you like her too? Yeah. But sometimes you gotta put fire to your tail.
What?
Okay, now? Okay, now I can do it. It's a hard one. Thank you for the help. It's kind of look like cake. Can I taste it?
I think we should add more ingredients to that before you do that.
Ew, it looks like slime. Nice. Take it again.
Alright, so now we gotta add 3 eggs. So grab 3 eggs out of here and crack them.
Like 5 or something, or 6 or 3. Oh yeah, 3. Okay, 1 more.
2 more.
No, it's 1 more. Because it got the first one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I cracked it. Oh, shoot, baby. Stop cracking on it. Yes. 1 more. The baby eyes. How do you finish start over? Okay. Glass. Now I gotta go. Kind of looks like cake, right?
We need half a cup. So right here, I'm gonna just pour it in here.
Geez, just one. Okay, can I put it in there? Let me do it.
Right here.
And we kind of gotta put more ingredients in here, cause you.
Y'all see me how he like to come for me? Like, it's giving disrespectful.
See, it says 2 eggs.
That says 3. 3 whole eggs. Or you do 4 egg whites. We just did the whole egg.
Okay, no.
Y'all think you ready for kindergarten?
Guys, don't believe her.
Oh, no, he didn't.
I can put some more eggs in.
No, you don't need any more eggs. Do it again.
Why?
Do it again.
Can it crack?
Do it again.
No. I'll put it on you.
Move. You're gonna put. Stop, Kobe.
But you gotta put it on my mouth.
You're gonna put it on my mouth. Stop. Why would you put the clip on your tongue?
Here, put it in your mouth.
No.
Yeah, put it in your mouth.
Move.
Can I put my lollipop in here?
No.
Why?
Can I have the bowl when you're done?
No, I'm gonna have a bowl.
Kayla.
Kendall.
Please. I probably bought this anyways.
Oh yeah, it's Kobe. Kobe, you got cake. Yes, you do. Here, you got cake. Yes.
Want some cake batter?
You look just ew. It's not you. I don't know why you.
Stop. No, you've got to bring that over here so you don't waste it.
Mimi got it in there.
Can Amelia's a dog?
No, she's not. She's a parent of a dog.
You are something else. You know that? You are something else.
The cake is ready, but they're aside in our video. So we're gonna start putting the icing on the cake, okay? Ready, set,
Yes.
go. C is ready. Okay, now, Mama, do what you gotta do.
Do what I gotta do.
Okay.
So I'm gonna push it. It's gonna be a little hard to push.
Okay, can you do it now?
All right, you can do it.
Okay.
It's a little hard to push though.
Wait, how can I do it? Just a little hard. Coming out?
Let me do it and you smear it.
Yeah.
Okay, here. You can take the spatula and you smear the icing all around. So,
Add some more. This is gonna be so funny, right? Are you doing this right? That's my shit. Now you can smush the icing all around. Like, smile. No, like, I can't smear it yet. Smear it all around. Okay, are you done yet? How you doing? Okay. Oh, I just squished it. There you go. You get one this.
yeah. Yeah. Like that. Good job.
And skin cake over it. More. Put it right here. Like inside the cake. I want the cake to be like blue. I don't want to smush it. Do you push the black paint part? What do you put?
The clip.
Plus. Cool potato.
Hey, go tell Nene and Uncle Bill to come have a piece of cake.
That's my part.
Okay, that'd be a part. They're gonna reveal your cake. They're gonna try your delicious cake.
Ooh, let's see.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So good.
You gotta pull it up a little bit so they can see Bryce.
It's halfway done.
Here. All right.
All right. Finna try Kobe's cake.
I don't know. It don't taste good. We're tearing this cake up.
So good.
Kendall, where's your fork? Your fork.
It's not that bad, actually.
Morgan and Morgan, for the people.
That's pretty good.
I feel like you just spit something out on my phone. All right, let me just taste some.
I would give it a 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna.
Lying. Oh my God. Stop fucking lying.
I'm gonna taste some. Yes. Y'all, I'm shaking. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna take a big bite just for you. Why is it mushy in the middle? Here goes nothing.
I need another bite.
Okay, I got it.
Kobe, stop.
Just take a bite.
Just take a bite.
Just take a bite.
It's so mushy.
Oh, it's not that bad. All right, let me take one more.
It's so moist.
Let me take.
It says super
Pass me
moist
the plate.
cake.
Pass me the plate. Pass me the plate.
No.
Is this cake for babies? Yeah. You made it for babies? Evident. It's so mushy and
I made it for big girls.
liquidy inside. You did amazing. You just invented the first baby cake. Yes, that's why Black
Kobe.
Lives Matter.
10 out of 10. That's a good cake.
Probably don't recommend.
Watch this, Mama.
It's so good.
That's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
So.
Kobe. So.
You're a whole
Alright. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show.